Hey everyone, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. Got my benchtop English wheel set up here, and we're going to try doing a little English wheeling to this here pattern I made in the trunk for over the fuel filler, trying to get this curve in here to cover it. So let's start out and we'll see how it goes here. So I've got a couple different wheels with different arcs. I picked a lesser arc. Let's see what we can do. A little more tension. I'm no professional at this. I've only used this thing a couple times before, but it gets the arc in the panel pretty quickly with enough pressure. So trying to see how we can do just the side here. So the bottom piece here has got less of an arc. Well, I should say the inside piece. But as you can see, it's already starting to arc the panel. So the panel's got a bit of an arc in it already on one half. So we'll go over to this other half, work on this side a little bit. Got quite a bit of tension on there, so. Oh. It does have some arc coming in this side now. I don't know if where the panel, I need the panel to lay down, if it will do that after a while, or we'll kind of see. I might have to like tip the edge a little bit because of the arc. Where I need this, I might have to come in here and tip this to get this to come back out flat. Because you can see it puts a whole arc in the panel. Okay. All right. Okay. As you can see, it's coming. Now, remember we talked about some reverse, that it had to have a reverse arc in here. And so, because it has to have a reverse curve. I mean, you got, if you're making like a transmission tunnel, you're already starting to get that bevel in there, right? So you could roll that, but now I need to have this tip even more in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip it over and try to roll this direction. As you can see all the marks in the back of the panel, right? All right. So trying to get that reverse curve in here, and I can actually see it kind of actually flattening the panel out already. So in this area, so it is having an effect. It's stretching it this direction, so it would be a crown like this, and so. I said we tried to B-roll it, or English wheel it, so that's what I'm doing here, trying to do it the way that we originally discussed in the video. But we can actually see the dent. Look at it, see, so you're getting now, that's a reverse curve. So let's go in here and see if we can arc this back and then raise this up. So sometimes I get a little off it. It's like it takes a while to learn control of the panel, I think. It's not anything that's super easy right out of the box. It's not, because it's like counter steering. It's almost like a motorcycle.